This is the Redmi K90 Pro Max, and in this video, we're breaking down everything new in this generation. Let's start with the design. It's had a major refresh. The camera module is now square-shaped, kind of like the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, but without that rear display. On the right side, there's now a cutout for the rear-firing speaker, and you'll notice the BOSS co-branding right beside it. The frame is made from 6 Series aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, featuring a quad-curved design that wraps beautifully around the edges. It's only 7.99 millimeters thick, giving it a sleek, premium feel in the hand. This version is the Sulfur Gold White color, with a silver aluminum camera deco. Looks absolutely stunning. The texture, the shine, the finish, everything screams luxury. Honestly, this is the one I'd recommend. Up front, you're getting a 6.9-inch flat M10 display with a peak brightness of 3,500 nits. It's got gently rounded corners, Xiaomi's Qingshan Eye Protection 3.0, and ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. Now, flip it to the back, your eyes will instantly catch that rear speaker grille. Redmi went all in here. It's rocking a dual-coil 2016 speaker setup with dual 1115F ultralinear units, creating a 2.1 stereo sound system on a phone. Plus, Redmi teamed up with Boss Audio for joint tuning, offering both Boss Classic and balanced sound profiles. The mids and lows are richer, the soundstage is wider, and the overall audio feels deep and powerful. If you care about sound quality, this one's for you. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Ultimate Edition, paired with an independent AI display chip too. Powering it all is a 7,560 mAh Golden Sandbox battery with 100 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless, and 22.5 watts reverse charging. On the camera side, it's got a 50-megapixel Lighthunter 950 main sensor, plus a 50-megapixel Periscope Telephoto lens, a first for the K series. And here's the best part. All of this comes in at around $699, depending on the configuration. This year, Redmi really went all out. From sound to design, performance, and camera, everything's been pushed to the next level. No exaggeration, the Redmi K90 Pro Max might just be the most powerful K-series phone ever made. So, what do you think? If the Redmi K90 Pro Max goes global at this price, would you switch to it?